Hey, good evening, you guys. So yeah, we're at that shopping center just off of Lake Boone Trail. That area receiving a lot of flash floodings throughout the afternoon and late and early evening. But I want to show you here in this parking lot, you can see where the water was. You can see how this mulch has washed up, and you can see it now receding back down towards that restaurant there. So I want to show you some of the other areas that flooded and the images that we saw here in Raleigh. First, here in this shopping center at Wycliffe and Lake Boone Trail where we are, other shops remained open, but there was heavy pooling of water near these restaurants, Duck Donuts and Chicken Salad Chick. And it was just almost looked like a lake, but it's begun to recede right now. And then over on Horton Street, near this apartment complex and senior living community, House Creek overflowing onto the roadway. And since the creek was so high, it caused major pooling and rushing of water into the street. The water left lots of mud and debris like branches all along the sidewalk. Now, people also saw a lot of lightning throughout the scattered storms that came across their area. You can see buckets of rain falling in this North Raleigh neighborhood, and of course that lightning going across the skies. Thick gray skies this afternoon, really just taking over this city. And actually, as we were driving into Raleigh to, scoping out a lot of these places, we actually saw a rainbow. We saw a double rainbow, which is a pretty surprise. But of course, we saw some flash flooding here, and then we actually were able to catch up and see what life was looking like over in Durham, because there was some viral video that really caught a lot of attention yesterday in last night's storms.
A bunch of us came outside to make sure that our people were okay, and to make sure that the people that are visiting were going to be safe too.
Cyril and Dakota Jolly share the video that went viral Wednesday night. They've lived along Northwood and Madison for a decade.
This was definitely the deepest we've gotten in a while, so we were surprised by that, and the rain just wasn't letting up, so we knew it was just going to continue to get worse.
Flooding along this intersection has become normal to them. But this was the first time Northwood looked like a creek, water on both sides gushing out of the drain.
With the new buildings going up, the community has tried to work with the city to get them to fix the issue, because there's more people using the space. And this spot right here behind us is where all of Old North Durham's water drains. And so in the video that you saw, it's actually water coming out of the sewer because the drains are behind us.
Around the corner on Foster Street, as diners grab a bite at Taco, it's a completely different sight from the night before. This is video from Wednesday, employees attempting to sweep the water out of the restaurant and trying to push it down the drain. While visitors may not be aware of the dangerous conditions, neighbors are trying to get the word out by posting these signs and also seeking help from the city. They worry about what's to come.
That's our biggest concern. Durham needs to step up and fix this problem. There are other problems too, like we have to plan infrastructure. We can't just keep building houses or condos and expect that things are going to work the way they used to work.
And so we have reached out to the city of Durham. They hope to get back to us tomorrow. We had several questions for them on, is there a plan to make the drainage system a little bit better? And again, are they going to add that area to the list of flooding portions of the city that they often send out? So we sent them a list of questions. We're waiting to hear back from them. So we hope to have those answers for you guys later on this week, if not possible into next week. We'll continue to dig in on this and really find out solutions that the city has to prevent these flash floods. Back to you.
Yeah, there is frustration in northern Durham neighborhoods off the Eno River that had the flooding on Sunday, and now these parts of central Durham where they had flooding last night.
Able to track down, though, the person who shot that video. Finally get to the bottom of that.
Absolutely.
Bianca, thank you.